Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's look at this problem right here. Here this question is asking a Ford Mustang cost $17,000. It can be financed at 5.9% for 48 months with monthly compounding. How much will the monthly payments will be? Okay, so here we have 5.9% for 48 months. If you want to calculate per month, this is going to be I is equal to 0.059. Since 12 months per year, we have to just divide this one by 12, and that's going to be 0.00492 per month. Per month. And so this is per month. And to find out here, the question is asking how much will be the monthly payments will be. To find out the payment, we have to use this formula. A is equal to P times APIN. Here P is the principal amount that's provided right here, $17,000. Let's plug that one right here and multiply that one with AP interest rate, that is 0.00492 48. And if you look at this value from the table, you will if you multiply that one with this, you will get $398.50, and this is the final answer. This is the this is the monthly payment. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you're trying to learn engineering economics, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.